Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin a comment on Instagram. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step that you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to select any of your posts. So I'm going to select this post, and then you need to click on comment, and here you can find plenty of different comments. You simply need to hold any comment for a few seconds, and on the top you will find third option, that is pin. Then you need to select that option, and then you need to click on pin comment. So now it is pinning. So here you can see that comment is pinned onto the top. So this is a process by which you can pin comment on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.